Good afternoon, MarineMax friends and family. Today we're taking a look at the all-new 2026 Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless. I'm going to take you around the interior of this boat and show you all the great features that it has to offer. Come along. As you can see, this boat is powered by a Mercury V8 300 horsepower engine. Going to be plenty of propulsion to get you anywhere you're looking to go out on the water. And back here at your aft seating section, you can have this as an aft seat, or you can lay that down and have this as a casting platform while you're out on the water fishing. Up here at your helm station, you do have plenty of storage back here in the rear. You have 3 pull-out drawers, as well as a wide open storage area underneath below. Plenty of cup holders, rod holders up here on the hard top as well. And up here at the helm section, you have a dual captain chair, seating for 2, armrests, your 12-inch Simrad with all of your mapping functions. Also going to have Mercury vessel view, going to give you all your engine vitals, and all of your other switches are going to be right there on your helm station. Making our way up to the bow, here coming to your bow section, you do have a head unit down underneath here. You're also going to access your batteries from here as well. And up here at the bow, you got plenty of seats with your bow section seating area. You do have some flip-up backrest to give you some different seating options. And right here in front of your helm is a large resting sun pad with a lot of storage underneath. So if you like this boat or any other boat you see in our online inventory, stop by Grand Lake MarineMax today. Thanks.